Kip was reading a newspaper. He saw an ad for Ocean Aquarium. Thought Kip.
The aquarium looked like fun. Maybe Bert would like to go with me.
Kip climbed up the tree.
Hey Bert,
He called,
do you want to?
but Bert was not in her nest.
Where is Bert?
Kip wondered. Kip climbed back down the tree.
She must be somewhere around here.
He said.
I'll go and look for her.
Meanwhile, Bert was reading a newspaper too. Thought Bert.
The aquarium looked like fun. Maybe Kip would like to go with me.
Bert flew back to the tree.
Hey Kip,
She called,
do you want to?
but Kip was not in his hole.
Where is Kip?
Bert wondered.